Hey guys, the time has finally come. Businesses are opening up, people are getting back to work, which means it might be time for a haircut. And whether you're going back for your usual haircut or you're wanting to try something new, I know we've all been in this scenario. So what are we doing today?
I don't know, just maybe like a little bit, just like a trim. I don't know, whatever you want to do. What do you think?
Or this one?
I don't know, just do whatever you want.
So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to communicate with your barber more efficiently. Tip number one is that it's okay to be specific. You can tell your barber whether you want an inch taken off the top or X amount taken off the sides, because let's be honest, just a trim is too broad of a statement. Tip number two is to bring a picture, or as many as you like. Pinterest, Google, and Instagram are great places to find inspiration. I would recommend building an album, because that way you can show your barber like this. I like that fade, and that top, and that beard. It helps. Tip number three is a tough one because it's having to set real expectations. You have to understand that no one's hair is identical to anybody else's, and your hair's growth patterns, texture, and fullness play a major part in the final look. An example of this is that if you have fine hair, point cutting might give you texture, whereas thinning shears might make you look like you're balding. And this is why it's so important to bring a picture, because your barber can look at your idea, look at your hair, and know what approach to take. Tip number four is don't be afraid to talk to your barber. I've been that person that goes in for a haircut, I explain exactly what I want, and I end up not getting it. But then I won't say anything because I don't want to upset the person. Guys, whether you were unhappy with a previous haircut or the one you're getting while you're in the chair, you need to be vocal about it. Giving your barber feedback allows them the opportunity to make things right again. You ever go to the barber shop, get a haircut, the barber styles it for you all nice, and then you go home and you have no idea how to do what he just did? For tip number five, keep in mind that a haircut and a hairstyle are not the same thing. So after your haircut, be sure to ask how to replicate the look at home. Your barber can always educate you on the different kinds of shampoo, hair products, and hair drying techniques, and what will work for you. After that, it all comes down to practice. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you found any of the tips helpful, I want to read about it in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe so you know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.